Welcome to MaxJax Tech Tips, our new web series where we'll answer the top questions on the MaxJax 2-post lifts, as well as product updates and more. My name is Jared, and today we're going to answer a very important question. What is MaxJax? So what is MaxJax? It isn't an ordinary 2-post lift, that's for sure. MaxJax is a patented, portable 2-post car lift that gives you more versatility and serviceability than traditional mid-rise or low-rise lifts. Plus, can fit in a home garage or automotive shop. It's what many of you have always wanted, but never thought you could have. And now you can. How great is that? With MaxJax, you have clear undercar access just like any other 2-post lift. But unlike other lifts, the MaxJax is portable. So when you need the space in your shop or garage for another project, or need to surrender it back to the minivan, all you do is unbolt at the base and roll it away. MaxJax is easily stored against the wall or wherever you have this storage space. It's so simple and very easy to do. But wait, Jared, if it's so portable, how can I trust that it'll safely lift my car? Well, Jared, the MaxJax has a 6,000-pound lifting capacity, so it's strong enough for cars and light trucks. And while it's portable, you still need to anchor them into place each time before regular operation. MaxJax is strong and stable, like a full-size 2-post lift, but it's not a permanent fixture. There are so many great benefits to owning a MaxJax, and you'll be living the dream with one in your garage. Check us out online to get more information, to see a gallery of our MaxJax customer photos, or to place an order for your very own portable lift today. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to make sure you get the latest in MaxJax tech tips. I'm Jared, and we'll see you in the next one.